Okay, I have a question
Simple.
for you then. There's
I would
like,
say that, though, wouldn't I?
what are the benefits of investing in a well-structured ETF rather than, say, specifically stock picking, or even maybe being in the S&P 500 that can have such good growth, but also such volatility on, you could have a 10% one year and you could be on a -% the next year. There's a lot of volatility in that.
Yeah. So I think the last point is that's the journey of investing. So that's about having the right level of education. So if we're educating the members, or we're educating our audience through FINT, in terms of you will have those periods. Your money will go down at some point. Being aware of that, if you're investing, that's going to happen. But in terms of kind of ETFs, I'm a huge advocate for ETFs as a structure, an amazing thing. But what they give you access to is not just the market. So, for example, if we're looking at a piece of analysis and research, and it's saying, I'll make an example up, healthcare.
Yeah.
It's directing to healthcare being the right place to be for the next 6 to 12 months for part of your portfolio. We could then think, right, okay, healthcare where? US, okay. We can then you can look at an S&P 500 healthcare ETF. So you then have access to that entire sector instantly.
Yeah.
And not only instantly, but also at a really low cost. That's one of the things with ETFs. You can get an S&P 500 now at 0.03 basis points, so 0.03%.
Yeah,
3 basis points, and you can own, the S&P 500, so the best companies in the world, for 0.3%.
So the ETF, the best thing about it is positioning. You can it can be quite surgical in what you want to really
that's where
target,
ETFs add value.
and obviously the cost that it is beneficial for
tax
you.
efficient structure as well.
Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah, and the other thing about ETFs too is they do trade like a share, so they do allow movements quicker than, say, perhaps a traditional OIC or a mutual fund, as it might be better known.
Yeah.